Okay,
Finally.
Okay.
So for the last couple of weeks, I've been telling Annalisa that we're going somewhere, and I haven't told her where. So it's been kind of
Yeah, I packed my stuff. No
a little
idea
bit,
where to go.
little bit of a surprise.
Oh boy.
So where do you think we're going?
I think we're gonna watch the audition of Americans Got Talent. I think so.
What's your second choice?
Um, Texas
Texas?
with mom.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
What's your third choice?
Florida.
Okay, so here's the reveal. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I knew it because she said, "Oh, you need to wear a dress shoes." I told you. I'm telling you, I'm good on it. You cannot
So,
surprise me.
America's Got Talent.
Oh my God, where is that?
It's in L.A.
LA.
So
I
that's
knew
where we're
it.
going.
That's my first guess when we're packing, right?
Yeah, because I had to tell her she wanted to wear certain things, and you had to wear solid colors and dark colors. So
Oh, that's why you want me
because
to
that's
wear.
part of the requirements here.
Do I need to bring
the
like?
bottom.
Oh my goodness. How
So-
about the purse?
Small purse is okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So we're okay. Does that sound exciting?
Exciting. I wish I can get a picture with Simon. That's all I want.
Yeah.
Picture with Simon.
Well, maybe.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. I knew it
So she's been a good
because
sport.
because it's popped up on my email and it said, "Oh, maybe John's gonna buy that thing," and I'm right.
She's right. She's a good detective.
Exactly. See, I told you. Okay, let's go.
You ready?
Taxi's there.
Taxi's waiting. Let's go. Well, we're here in Pasadena. We're getting ready to go watch our America's Got Talent. Are you excited?
This is it. Yes.
This is it.
Excited.
So have you had fun in your trip so far?
Yep. I enjoyed yesterday, especially seeing Tita Mel,
Seeing, old friends.
old friends.
Old friends from the old
Look
country.
at this.
Yeah, this is
This is the old
this is
Pasadena.
Memorial Park.
Yeah, look at how
downtown
nice it
Pasadena.
is. Beautiful. There you
There's
go.
that big building way back there at the tower. You can see
We're
it.
just gonna go back later after.
It's a little bit chilly, about 65 degrees here in
Yep.
March, early
Yeah.
March. Yesterday it was like cold and rainy.
Rainy, so
And I guess you can't see it from here, but over there's mountains that have some snow on it from the cold weather that we had here last couple of days. But yeah, yesterday was kind of miserable with all the rain, but now it's sunny and we're excited to go see America's Got Talent.
yay! We're here.
Waiting for America's Got Talent.
Look at the line all the way to the building.
A lot of people ahead of us. That's okay. Still in line. America's Got Talent. Whoa. All the way down the street. We have our tickets to America's Got Talent. Look at that. We're ready to go. It's official.
Official, thank you, honey, for bringing me in here.
Such a surprise, huh?
It's a surprise. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Well, hasn't started yet.
I know, but still, we have the ticket. That's the
Hey.
best part.
And you got your picture with Simon already.
Got a picture with Simon.
Well, we're about ready to go inside in a few minutes. I'm not going to be able to record the show at all because I have to keep it private until it actually airs. So this is March, early March, and it's not going to air until June, they said. So let's see. I'm looking forward to it. The auditorium of the city of Pasadena. There's Howie getting out of the limo over there. Getting a selfie. He's getting checked in, I guess.
Coming through, guys. Coming through.
Deep, deep.
Hi, Indonesia.
You got your
Take a picture with him.
I saw that.
I got video with you. Oh my God.
Mel B is back this year.
Right here. Here's the inside of the theater. Look at that. We are in row Z. We're kind of far back. But still, seats are pretty good. And look at that. The stage. Nice looking stage. Obviously, we can't take pictures or videos while acts are on stage. So I can only show you before. But I like this theater. Very beautiful. Sound crew is testing out the golden buzzer effect. Well, we just had a golden buzzer. Cleaning it up. Can't share any secrets though. That was exciting. Alright, so we just finished with our audience participation of America's Got Talent. We saw 4 acts in total.
Yeah.
We had a dancer, a contortionist, a musician, and a magician. And the last one was some sort of technology type of demonstration, but they didn't stick around because they had to go outside for that, so we didn't have a chance to see that one. We got to see one golden buzzer.
Yeah.
Not going to tell you which one it was.
I know. I was so amazing.
So, but it was
Witnessing
good.
That. It's really good.
The whole show that we were in there, once we got inside and seated, it was about an hour and a half. So each act probably took about 15-20 minutes of time, with prep and makeup artist coming back out to attend to the judges in between sets. So it was fun. I liked it. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I guess we could stay and watch another act if we wanted to, but I guess start to finish is probably 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
By the time you're waiting in line, sort of tired of waiting in line. I'm not sure if I want to wait in line again. So, but it was fun. I enjoyed it.
That's the venue here.
Yeah, I see that
But
back
all
there.
these people
All these people coming out.
coming out.
It was a full audience.
Yep. Okay.
All right. Be sure to like and subscribe.